Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am present with a new chapter of mathematics, chapter number 12. And the title of this chapter is Measures of Capacity. The first part of this chapter. This is the first part of this chapter. So, in this chapter, we will learn about measures of capacity. I am going to give some introduction about this chapter. Capacity. In this chapter we will learn about how can we measure any liquid and which unit we use to measure the capacity of any liquid, okay, or measure the capacity of any container also. in हिंदी इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हम लोग ये जानेंगे कि हम लोग किसी भी लिक्विड लिक्विड को कैसे मेजर करते हैं और किस यूनिट में मेजर करते हैं, पहले ये जाने। ठीक है, तो आइए चलिए क्लास में स्टार्ट। लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस क्लास। मेजर्स ऑफ कैपेसिटी। कैपेसिटी इन मींस इन हिंदी क्षमता। सपोज दैट ओके, दिस इज बकेट, दिस इज a tub. You can see that I have drawn two different things, this bucket, balti, and this is tub. You can see that when we compare these two things, this is a bigger, this is smaller. Obviously, the capacity of this bucket is more than this tub. It means when we put some liquid in it, in it, okay, we can store in maximum amount or more amount of any liquid in this bucket as compared to this tub. Suppose that the capacity of this bucket is uh, 2 liters, okay, and the capacity of this tub is 1 liter. Now, so we measure any liquid. What is this? Liquids. Liquids. We measure this liquid in capacity and we use or for measure liquid for measure liquid which is unit we use, so we use liter, LITRES, liters. So which unit we use to measure any liquid? Liter. Liter, LITRE, liter is the standard. Liter is the standard unit of capacity we write L in short form for liter. Liter is the standard unit of capacity. We write L in short form. Second thing is to express the capacity of any vessel, we use liter, and for smaller capacity we use milliliter, 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 and ml. Ml is short form of ml is the short form of short form of milliliter. So this is the some introduction about this chapter. Okay, it means we measure liquid in लीटर. कोई भी लीटर हम लोग लेते हैं तो हम लोग किसमें मापते हैं, उसको हम लोग लीटर में मापते हैं. कोई भी लिक्विड लेंगे, अब लिक्विड में क्या क्या जाएगा, तो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट सम नेम ऑफ लिक्विड वी यूज. वी कैन liquids like water or oil, milk, water, oil, milk. So these are some liquids. Okay, for example, as an example, liquids like water, oil, milk. Liquids like water, oil, milk measures in liter or milliliter. जो भी लिक्विड है लाइक वाटर, ऑयल, milk, these are some example of liquids. We use this unit liter milliliter to measure. For example, okay, suppose that this is a bottle, this is a container, suppose that this is a vessel cylindrical shape, and you can see that the capacity of this cylindrical shape container is 100 ml. You can see that 100 ml. देखिए यहाँ लिखा हुआ 100 ml. It means we can hold or we can store, not hold, we can store, or this container can hold any liquid of 100 ml. Ml means milliliter. So this is some example, and this is a bottle of 1 liter. We purchase this type of water bottle from the market. The capacity of this water bottle is 1 liter. The capacity of the water bottle is 1 liter. It means this bottle can hold any liquid in amount of 1 लीटर. 1 लीटर अगर है क्वांटिटी तो इसमें हम होल्ड कर सकते हैं. सपोज दैट if second thing say this is a bigger one, this is a bigger one as compared to this, so the capacity of this bottle is 2 liters. It means this container, this bottle can hold liquid of 2 liters. Okay, and next one is this one. This one is, so you can see that this is a one more container, and we can store any liquid in it, and the capacity of this bottle is or container is 5 liter. You can see that 5 LTR 5 liter. It means the capacity of this bottle is 5 liters. We can hold or we can store any liquid in it 5 liters. Okay, so these are some example of vessels. We can store any liquid like water, oil, milk, anything in this bottle. Or in our house we use different types of vessels, different types of utensils to measure to store water, oil or milk, whatever. So students, in this video we have learnt about unit. One more thing, liter is the standard unit of capacity, milliliter is a smaller unit of capacity, and one more thing is 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This is a bigger unit, this is a smaller unit. This is a bigger one, this is a smaller. Okay, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. We use this unit liter and milliliter to measure any liquid. Okay, so in next video we will do some exercise related to this chapter, measures of capacity.